Imagine a life with more freedom, more flexibility, and more money. What if I told you that you could earn an extra $2,500 every month while working from anywhere in the world? It might sound too good to be true, but this is the power of the AI side hustle. In this video, we'll discover a simple but effective way to generate passive income with the latest AI technology. Get ready to unlock your earning potential and escape the daily grind. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about using the power of AI to create a sustainable income stream that works for you. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle to boost your income, this opportunity is for you. So buckle up and get ready to explore the exciting world of AI-powered print-on-demand. The heart of this side hustle is Midjourney, a revolutionary AI program that turns text into amazing images. Think of it as your own personal digital artist, able to create breathtaking pictures in seconds. From abstract art to photorealistic landscapes, Midjourney lets you create unique designs without any artistic experience. Just type in your keywords, phrases, or descriptions, and watch Midjourney bring your vision to life. Want a whimsical illustration of a cat with a monocle? Midjourney can do that. Need a bold and modern design for a phone case? Midjourney's got you covered. The possibilities are endless. And the only limit is your imagination. Think of those cute, Delft blue tiles, but with your own personal touch. Now that you understand the power of Midjourney, let's dive into the step-by-step process of turning your AI-generated art into a profitable side hustle using print-on-demand platforms like Printify. First, brainstorm about your niche. What are you passionate about? What kind of designs do you think would appeal to a specific audience? Identifying a niche will help you focus your marketing efforts and attract the right customers. For example, think of typical Amsterdam canal houses or the Jordan district. Then create captivating designs. Use Midjourney to generate eye-catching designs that fit your chosen niche. Experiment with different prompts, styles, and color palettes to create a diverse portfolio. Next, choose your platform. Platforms like Printify connect you with a network of suppliers who handle the printing, packaging, and shipping of your products. This allows you to focus on creating beautiful designs and promoting your brand. After that, set up your store. Create an online store on platforms like Etsy or Shopify to showcase your designs and manage orders. Make sure your store has a clean layout, high-quality product photos, and appealing product descriptions. Finally, promote your products. Spread the word about your creations through social media marketing, paid ads, or collaborations with influencers. Engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. The beauty of print-on-demand is how passive it is. Once you've created your designs and set up your online store, you can start earning passive income with minimal effort. Every time someone buys a product with your design, the platform handles the entire process, from printing to shipping. This means you can focus on what you're good at, creating amazing designs and expanding your product offerings. As your brand grows and you attract more customers, your earnings will continue to increase, giving you a sustainable stream of passive income. Just like those tourists on a boat tour, you can sit back and relax. Part 5. Avoiding pitfalls. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. While print-on-demand offers an easy entry into entrepreneurship, it's important to be aware of common pitfalls and how to avoid them. First, poor design quality. Make sure your designs are high-resolution, visually appealing, and free of copyright infringement. Invest in design tools or outsource the design process if needed. Second, lack of focus on a niche. Trying to appeal to everyone often results in appealing to no one. Identify a specific niche and tailor your designs and marketing efforts accordingly. Next, ignoring customer service. Respond promptly and professionally to customer inquiries. Address problems quickly and strive for customer satisfaction. Finally, neglecting marketing. Don't rely solely on organic reach. Explore paid advertising options and collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can position yourself for success in the competitive world of print-on-demand. Part 6. Mastering Midjourney. Tips and tricks for exceptional designs. To really stand out in the print-on-demand world, it's important to master the art of Midjourney. Here are a few tips and tricks to improve your designs. First, experiment with prompts. Don't be afraid to get creative with your prompts. Use descriptive language, specific adjectives, and even song lyrics to inspire unique images. Second, explore different styles. Midjourney offers a range of artistic styles from photorealism to abstract art. Experiment with different styles to find what best fits your niche and brand aesthetic. Next, use reference images. Upload reference images to guide Midjourney's creative process. This can be especially helpful for creating designs based on specific objects, characters, or scenes. Finally, refine and repeat. Don't settle for the first version. Use Midjourney's refinement tools to adjust colors, textures, and compositions until you achieve the desired result. By mastering these techniques, you can unlock Midjourney's full potential and create truly exceptional designs that will captivate your audience. Part 7. The power of Printify, choosing the right platform for success. While Midjourney provides you with beautiful designs, platforms like Printify serve as the backbone of your print-on-demand business. Here's why Printify is an excellent choice. First, its wide product selection. From t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases, Printify offers a huge catalog of products you can customize with your designs. Second, its worldwide network of suppliers. Printify connects you with a global network of printing partners, guaranteeing fast and affordable shipping to your customers worldwide. Next, automated order fulfillment. As soon as a customer places an order, Printify automatically handles the printing, packaging, and shipping process, saving you from logistical headaches. Finally, integration with e-commerce platforms. Printify integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Etsy and Shopify, simplifying the process of setting up and managing your online store. By harnessing the power of Printify, you can streamline your operations, expand your reach, and focus on what matters most, creating and selling your unique designs. Part 8. Ready to start your journey? Subscribe and let's get creative. The world of AI-powered print-on-demand offers tons of opportunities, and now is the perfect time to jump in. With the creative possibilities of Midjourney and Printify's seamless fulfillment process, you have all the tools you need to build a successful and profitable side hustle. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Subscribe to my channel for more insights, tips, and tutorials on building a thriving online business. Let's unlock the power of AI together and make your creative passions a reality.